Slow picking. Find the wrong goods. Go to the wrong shelf. Hundreds of times. Warehouse is too big and too few staff. Warehouse, shelves, hospital medicine shelves, production line shelves. Now use this Bluetooth, light, and sound label. One-click light and sound reminder. 3 seconds for accurate positioning. You can see where the goods are. One turn. Simple to install. It doesn't pick the location. Light up in 1 second with multiple colors, and you can quickly find multiple items. Next, I will demonstrate multiple light-up labels, different colors on the system settings.